Hello friends, welcome back to Mother Made channel. Friends, today's topic is hair removal soap. Today we will make a soap which will be very effective to remove your unwanted hairs from legs, arms, underarms, etc. It is a painless option to remove hairs. By using this soap, you will get glowing, hair-free and moisturizing skin. Friends, I will show you full practical video of making hair removal soap. So friends, please watch full video. Don't skip in between the video, and after completing the video, I will tell you the quantity of raw materials. So please friends, watch full video. So let's go. So let's start. For that I have taken soap noodles. This is made by me. You can purchase soap noodles from the market. Many varieties of soap noodles are available in the market. They are available in different colors like off-white, transparent, yellowish, orangish, greenish, etc. You can get transparent soap noodles also, which I used for making transparent soap. So you can take any soap noodles of your choice. In this video, I am taking soap noodles which I made it. Now I am transferring these soap noodles in a stainless steel bowl. Now we will heat this in a double boiler to save its nutrients. Otherwise, the nutrients will be lost. Before starting the process, take the molds, whichever you want. Many types of molds are available in the market. I have taken plastic mold. Silicone molds are available in the market. They are very good. You can take silicone molds or you can take any utensil, whichever you want. Take some oil and apply on inside the mold. You can use brush, cotton, cloth, anything you want. Now I am starting the process. For that I have taken some water in a big large vessel. Now I am starting the flame and will wait till the water will start boiling. Now the water has started boiling. Now I am putting this bowl in this water. After the water has started boiling, sim the flame as I am doing. See, the noodles has started melting. Now I am adding barium sulfide. See, this is barium sulfide. See, it has completely melted and barium sulfide is mixed properly. At this stage, you can add perfume and color. I am not adding as I have already added before in soap noodles itself. Now I am pouring in molds. Now I am leaving it for some time for drying. After drying, I will show you. See, after drying, it will look like this. Now I am unmolding it. Put some pressure, it will come out automatically. See, the beautiful soap is ready. Now I will show you how to use it. For that I have taken some water and wetting the soap. Now I am applying it on the hand. Then leave it for 10 to 15 minutes. See the result after 10-15 minutes. If you have thick or more hairs, you can apply it 3 or 4 times for better result. Friends, did you like my video? Friends, now I will tell you the quantity of raw materials. Please note it down. I am telling you the quantity for 100 gram soap. For 100 gram soap, take 90 gram soap noodles, then melt it properly. Then add 10 gram barium sulfide in it and mix it properly. Then add any color of your choice. The color should be oil based, and add fragrance of your choice. The fragrance also should be oil based. Then pour in the molds. After some time, your soap will be ready. Friends, if you want to make transparent soap, take transparent soap noodles. Friends, if you like my video, please hit the like button and share my video with all your friends and relatives. And if you have not subscribed, please subscribe my channel. After pressing the subscribe button, you will see a bell icon. Please press the bell icon. After pressing the bell icon, you will see 3 options on the screen. Please press the all button which is on the top. Pressing all button is very important. By pressing all button, you will receive notification whenever I make a new video in future. So please press the all button. Now friends, we will meet in some next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care, stay safe, stay healthy.